Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add beats to your background music for better transition. For instance, you see all these fast-paced edits you see online that change scenes based on the beat. I will show you how to do it so that you can go out and practice for yourself. So to do this, all you need to do is to get either the beats. For instance, if we are using this, you then see where it shows you this flag and says auto beat. All you need to do is to click on auto beat, and you're going to choose how much of the beat do you want to create. If it's small, if it's a lot, you just click on beat 2, and it's going to load and try to create beat portions which you can use to split your video scenes into those sharp bass or sharp sound, and it gives you that extra feel of change in scenery and change in view and scene, and gives you that effect that the video is professional. Like you can see now, it has gone out and created all these beats you see in purple. They were not in the video before, but now they are in the video. So now you can use this and just split a particular video based on it. Like this is beat 1, as you can see it has highlighted. You can split your video to that beat, split 2, split 3, and split 4. Like that, you can just go ahead and split your video. I've showed you how to split video in this full course already. You can go watch it and then split the video based on the beats and add transitions and just give it that fast-paced motion. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.